little loop for your thumb. Slip your thumb through it. Make sure that the fabric starts out flat against the back of your wrist. Do a few passes around your wrist. Then make a few passes around your knuckles. Give them enough material so that they're well padded. So far so good, but this is where most people run into a problem. What happens is that after 2 or 3 punches, the padding moves and their knuckles are exposed, and that's when they get some blisters or they get injured. So to prevent that from happening, what you're going to do is pass the material from behind the bone of your thumb between your last 2 fingers. And then the same thing for the next 2. One more time for the last 2. When you get to this point, you're going to start going around your knuckles a few more times to add some extra padding. Now there's always the extra option of protecting your thumb by looping the material over your thumb and anchoring it back down around your wrist. Now finish off with any remaining material around your wrist. Now when you get to the end, you're going to notice there's some Velcro, and all you got to do now is just stick the Velcro in place.